In this video, we're going to show you how to add multiple colors to one crop. So if you are planting a bunch of successions of zinnias on the same day, say you have 200 pink, 200 white, 200 salmon, whatever that might be, we're going to show you how to do that. You're going to go under color. So first you have the plant name, the planting date, because you always have that, and then go ahead and type in the colors that you have. So here we have white, salmon, and queen lime red, whatever that might be, the colors that you're doing, and the quantity planted. So you have 200. So you're really planting 600 total seeds that day. And you're going to enter your harvest window. Remember, the harvest window is when you think you will have those blooming. So from there, I'm guessing it's the beginning of August until frost in my zone. That's a continuous harvest. You expect a multiple stems per plant. You're going to harvest it a couple times a week, and then you go ahead and click on add planting. So you essentially, instead of having to do them one at a time, they are now all three in there. And so now you can see, because I planted those hypothetically on May 24th. So there's the queen lime red, there is the salmon, and there is the white. And so you didn't have to manually enter them all at once if you are planting different colors. And then you can go ahead and you can individually generate the images. You can generate an AI image. You can choose from your own images that you have. You can go into your image gallery.